Guys, explain what is going on right now.
It's
Ethan.
mold.
Ethan, explain, brother.
So,
There's shit ton of rain.
yeah, so earlier, like about probably a few hours ago, it was like the sky was like, there was some clouds like here and there, and it was like bright orange, like clear skies, like it was really pretty out. And we've been hearing all day like this storm that's supposed to be coming through. We're like, bro, what do you mean? It's clear skies right now. There's like nothing's happening.
I'm on the game.
So, you hear that? So now we're getting awoken by this storm. And we're like, it's not gonna happen. It's happening right now. Roll the clip.
So cold.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I can't breathe. Oh my.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Show me outside.
It's not as bad as it was before, but it is. You can barely see it, but like it is bad.
Guys, today we're gonna be exploring the storm. The great storm.
Okay.
Guys, we just heard a really loud, like, long thunder thing. So, we're about to go back out.
Go. Bro, that was probably like, it probably wasn't. No, it's probably not gonna be that rainy or anything. Robbie. Dude, the door. Oh, okay, we closed the door. I was about to say the door fucking moved. Yo, dude, look how pitch black. Oh, hell no. God. Hell no.
It got so bad. What the fuck?
bro, dude, you can't even see it.
I'm gonna have to turn the brightness up on this part.
Bro, I'm about to play that one guy that goes,
The big storm? Inside. Go out there.
No, I was just out here.
It's not that bad. I promise you. It's not that bad.
Look at her.
My tip's sticky. My tip.
You all went.
Yay, guys, come on, get in the rain with me.
Bro, you better not climb on me or I'm smacking the fuck out you.
Get back. Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
What? Is it cold?
Big old lightning strike.
Oh. Dude, I hope the camera caught that.
I've been popping.
I hope it caught the one where it was like it's pitch black and it was like.
Bro, what if we
like,
went back inside?
Like that?
Like that, right there. Like it lit up the entire sky, bro.
Bro, where did the thunder strike and it hit Ray?
Yeah.
Oh no.
I'd be like. I be popping bottles. Sparkles and champagne.
What's that one that we kept saying all day?
Treat me like whitey.
Yeah. Treat me like whitey.
Wait,
Love
it's exciting to be out there right
Man,
now.
this storm just got me like a whole.
Listen. Wait.
Hey, I dare you to go and touch the fence and run back.
Dude,
come on, you have to do it.
just run.
Just run around those plants right there.
Go.
Bro.
Go.
Come on. If you're quick, it won't be difficult.
Hurry, go. I hear someone. Go.
I didn't hear anybody. Wait, point it at him. Is he drenched?
Wait, hold on. I be popping bottles. Bottles.
I be popping. Treat me like whitey. Wait, hold on. I want to see if this light turns on. I want to see if it turns on outside. Is that light on?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, yes. Now we can.
I've been popping bottles.
Wait, just an outdoor RJ.
I'm literally in the middle of the rainstorm at 12:15 at night.
Get your ugly ass on.
Guys, this is the big storm. What did I say?
Oh my god, you're so white, bro. You're so white. Bro, come here, come look at how white he is.
Guys, this is the great
No,
storm.
no, come
Through
here.
the camera, you stupid bitch. Guys, major storms. Big now.
He's
Oh
so
my
white.
OMG, big now. Now,
Should I do
Guys.
Should I do a flip on the trampoline?
you gotta record it.
I bet.
I be popping bottles. Oh, yes, sir. Go.
Milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can
Bro, just. Welcome to MTV Cribs.